Welcome to our latest video update. We're excited to announce the launch of the Backup Vault on our CloudRevol platform. To access it, simply navigate to the Operations tab and select Backup Vault. Here you'll find options to view both backups and backup lists. To implement any alterations in your application or database, it's advisable to take a backup as demonstrated in the video. Is that we've addressed two critical scenarios: accidental deletion of important files during web editing and unintentional removal of essential tables while working on the database. As you recover either web files or databases, follow these steps. Access your backup list, choose your server, and select the date from the calendar. This action will display the available backups below. You can then proceed to download the backup or opt to click on Restore, as demonstrated in the video.
Thank you for watching.